The super duper mega fantastic cane game for curing boredom.
Sounds like there's some funky tunes coming from within.
Well, looks like you found my super duper mega fantastic cane game for curing boredom. That means each and every one of you has earned a free ticket to play.
No, I don't want to play.
That's a weird way to say you want to play.
No.
Couldn't help but get the vibe, you guys might not be feeling so fine.
I hate my life.
But that's not a big surprise. I got just the cure in mind if you can let me give this a try.
It's time.
To free that big old smile. If you love adventure, you're in luck.
I couldn't get half of flying.
Go through with no clue. You'll be surprised when you realize it gets so much better than real life.
Dumb, this sucks. Life is feeling like a bunch of
Humdrum, bum, banging in my head.
I'm trapped inside of the back of my mind. I've gotta leave.
I've got no happy place.
So glad you're having fun, but our whacked out party's only begun.
Never done.
Gonna leave you saying things like why is this happening and what am I doing here and how? I'm gonna talk this now. If you love adventure, you're in luck.
I couldn't get half of flying.
Go through with no clue. You'll be surprised when you realize it gets so much better than real life.
Dumb, this sucks. Life is feeling like a bunch of
Humdrum, bum, banging in my head. I'm trapped inside of the back of my mind. I've gotta leave.
It's impolite to be deceiving. Why break the rules or bother leaving? I know what you need, though you may not agree, but I'll show you the world, and without me you will see how awful it could be. How awful it could be. Ravenous violence and torture and agony. You're better off with me. For having a happy family. We all learned a valuable lesson here today. I know you don't really hate my adventures. You love me. And I love you too.